James Bond has it. In fact, just about every hero from books and film have it. People of the opposite sex find it attractive, and it can help you ace a job interview. What is it? Well, it's self-confidence. Self-confidence goes by many names: assertiveness, composure, poise, and presence. The list goes on. It's something that everyone almost universally seems to want, and who can blame them? The truth is that navigating the challenges of life is not for the faint-hearted. It makes sense that we're envious of people who seem to have it all together, who seem to know exactly what they are doing, assuring us that things will be okay. So, we've established that self-confidence is something that we all want, and based on that fact that you're listening to a course all about how to boost your self-confidence, it's safe to assume that you want to increase whatever your current level of self-confidence is. Well, good news. Not only can you increase your self-confidence, you can do it in a sustainable way that can make your life much better. After all, self-confidence is not a goal in itself. It's what we think having it in spades will bring us. In the next lecture, we'll talk a bit about what self-confidence is so that we know the nature of the thing we want to master.